Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei, and behind me is my Cyber Sensei family. Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we're going to be doing gold belt games. So make sure you have your uniform on, your belt on, you have lots of room to play and have fun, and you're ready to get started. Okay, before we get started with gold belt games, it's really important that you've gone through and that you've trained with gold belt lessons number 1 through 5 first, otherwise you're just not going to know what to do. So if you haven't done those lessons yet, go ahead and train with lessons gold belt 1 through 5, then come back and get ready to have some fun. The 3 games that we're going to be playing in gold belt games are number 1, Sensei Says. Number 2, we're going to play the attention game. And number 3, we're going to play a new game called the memory game. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Let's get going. So let's start things off with Sensei Says. It's just like Simon Says, only my name's not Simon, so it's going to be called Sensei Says. Now the techniques that we're going to be doing are the gold belt techniques, meaning the pedal step front kick and all the round kicks that we did and doing in gold belt lessons 1 through 5. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei!
All right, here we go. Get ready to get started. Ready, Sensei Says, attention. Sensei Says, bow courtesy. Sensei Says, guarding stance, right leg back, loud, yahaya. Now make sure you yell loud and make sure on your round kicks you pivot. If you don't pivot, you're going to be called out. If you don't yell loud, again, you're going to be called out. So make sure you're yelling really loud. Ready, Sensei Says, front punch. Louder, front punch. Good job. See you later. All right, now if you beat Leah in the comments, put in there that you beat Leah. Okay, here we go. Ready? Sensei Says front round kick. Ready, go. Make sure you pivot. Did you yell? Oops, sorry. See you later. Remember, you have to yell. Ready? Sensei Says front round kick. Ready, go. You guys got to yell louder. Front round kick. Go. Go ahead, Cole. Do it. You know you want to, Cole. Come on, Cole. Do it. Here we go. Ready, front round kick. Ready, go. Hiya. Oh, I knew you wanted to do it. I knew you wanted to do it. If you beat Cole, I want to hear about it in the description. Put in there, you beat Cole. Here we go. Ready, super loud. Front round kick. Ready, go. Hiya. Ready, Sensei Says front round kick. Hiya. Louder, front round kick. Come on, Jay. Go ahead. Jay's like, I got this. He's going to win. All right, Sensei Says step side round kick. Ready, go. Hiya. Louder, front round kick. Ready, go. Sensei Says step side round kick. Go. Hiya. Toss the back. Try it again. Sorry, Jay. Sorry, Jay. I know it. Jay, you were this close, buddy. Jay, you were so close to winning this time. You did so good. All right, Tristan's the winner. All right, here we go. Ready? You guys ready to play again?
Yes, Sensei!
Let's try one more time. Okay, you guys scoot over just a little tiny bit. Here we go. Ready? Sensei Says attention. Sensei Says bow courtesy. Sensei Says right leg back guarding stance, loud yell high. Sensei Says front punch. You guys gotta be louder. Sensei Says front punch. Make sure when you do that back punch, you get a full twist. Sensei Says back punch. Oh, Sensei Says, Tristan, see you later, buddy. Here we go. Sensei Says front kick. You guys gotta yell loud. Make sure you fold and refold those kicks. Sensei Says front kick. Higher, ready, front kick. Come on, Alexia, do it. You know you want to. Here we go. Front kick, ready, go. Hiya. Come on, Leah. All right, front punch, slide you. Hiya. Sensei Says front punch. Sensei Says front punch. Sensei Says front round kick. You guys gotta yell louder. Ready, front round kick. Whoa, you guys were good. Sensei Says front round kick. Sensei Says step side round kick. Nice to get hustle back. Let's try it again. Come on, Jay. You know you want to. Come on, Jay. All right, Sensei Says hustle back.
Yes, Sensei.
All right, Sensei Says guards up. Sensei Says front punch. Louder, front punch. Oh! I got Cole over there. I got Cole. Here we go. Looking good. Ready? Sensei Says front kick. You guys gotta yell louder. Come on, my mom yells louder. Sensei Says front kick. Louder, ready, front kick. Ready, front punch, go higher. Sensei Says front punch. Front punch. Sensei Says front punch. Sensei Says step side round kick. Off the back, let's try it again. Oh, you guys are good. Ready, front punch. Sensei Says front punch. Oh! Caught Alexia snoozing. Caught Alexia snoozing. All right. Jay, here's your big chance right here. Here's your big chance, Jay. All right. Jay. Jay versus Leah. All right, super loud. Front punch, go higher. Sensei says front punch. Front punch. Sensei says back punch. Louder, back punch. Sensei says front kick. Higher, right front kick. Right, hustle back. Here we go. Oh, I saw a little wiggle over there, Leah. Here we go. Just a little wiggle. Here we go. Ready, front kick, go higher. Sensei says front kick. Sensei says 5 jumping jacks. Sensei says go.
1 Sensei, 2 Sensei, 3 Sensei, 4 Sensei, 5 Sensei.
Make sure you're counting. You guys didn't count. Let's try it again. 5 more. Ready, go. Go ahead, Leah. You know you want to.
No, we counted.
All right, here we go. Ready? Sensei says 10 jumping jacks. Sensei says go.
1 Sensei,
2 Sensei, 3 Sensei.
Okay, wait. Stop.
6 Sensei.
Ah, Jay, I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry, Jay. Leah is the champion.
Nice.
All right. Go give Jay a high five. Good game over there. All right. All right. I hope you guys had an awesome time. You guys did awesome with Sensei Says. Give yourselves a big hand. Good job, guys. Okay, the next game we're going to be playing today in Gold Ball Games is the attention game. We're going to run in a circle, and the last person to go to attention, you're out, guys. I'm also trying to trick you. Make sure you're at attention. Your feet are connected together, your hands are at your side. We're standing up nice and straight. If your toes are apart or your hands aren't at your side, that means you would be out. All right, are you guys ready to play?
Yes, Sensei!
Here we go, in a circle, going that way, ready, run. Make sure you don't run into anything, any furniture in the house. Here we go. Ready, and attention. Now the last person to go to attention, you're going to be out. Make sure those toes are connected, hands at your side, don't move. Can't be flipping your bout or spinning. You have to stand still, at attention, no moving. Here we go. Ready, run. Okay, don't let me trick you. Ready, freeze. All right, you guys got to run faster. Ready, attention. Oh, Lexi is out. Here we go. Lexi's in the middle. Here we go. Ready, run. Come on, Trish, you gotta run fast. You're like running at attention over there, buddy. Okay, freeze! I think Tristan's cold. He was getting ready to freeze. Attention! Oh, Tristan, your toes connected? Yeah. Say, oops! Oops! All right, Tristan's out. You gotta connect those toes over there. I think Jay's gonna win this one. Ready, run! You guys gotta run faster. Okay, attention. Okay, now we're gonna run the other direction. Ready, run. We're changing directions on you guys. Freeze! Cold over there. He's freezing. Attention.
Leah, no. Please don't.
Jay, go to attention quick. You beat Leah. There you go. Oh, all right. Jay's still in it. Sorry, Leah. You're out of there. All right, here we go. Ready? Go in that direction. Ready? Run. All right, Jay. Come on. Here's your chance to beat Cole over here. Ready? Red light, green light. 1, 2, 3, stop. Freeze. Attention! Almost. Ready? Run! Who's gonna win? Attention! Sorry, Jay! Jay's out! Alright, good try, Jay. Alright, that was close. Jay's getting dizzy over there. Cole's winner. Are we good enough for Cole? Nice job, Cole. Good job. Alright, let's do the attention game one more time. Here we go. Second time. We'll play each game twice. Here we go. We're going to go that direction. Ready? Run. Everybody run. Who's going to win this time? Ready? Attention. Sorry, Jay. We got you out, buddy. Here we go. We're going to give Jay a break. Alright, Jay, just come and see. Here we go. Ready? Run. Red light, green light. What did we stop? Okay, good. We're not playing that game. Freeze. Oh, man. You guys are all cold over there. You guys are freezing. Make a bigger circle. Your
Bigger circle.
Ready? Attention.
Scared me.
Oh, I got Alexia moving. Alexia's out. Ready? Run. Run faster. Attention. Oh, Cole had a timber. Cole's out. Good try, Cole. Here we go. Who's going to win? Boys versus girls. Who's going to rule? Boys going to rule or girls going to rule? Who's going to rule?
Boys!
All right, let's find out. Ready? Run. Freeze. Tristan's cold. Come on, run faster. Tristan,
Go.
running at attention. Ready? Freeze.
Circle.
What are you cold? Yeah, Tristan, you're cold. Ready? Attention.
No!
Tristan's out. Girls rule. Give it up for Leah. All right, good job, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the attention game. Okay, the last game we're going to be doing today in Go Ball Games is called the memory game. All right. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to have to memorize what a front punch is, a back punch, a front kick, a back fist, and a back leg front kick, and we'll demonstrate in just a second. All right, here we go. Everybody, you guys scoot over just a little tiny bit. Ready, show me class attention. Bow courtesy, right leg back in a guarding stance, loud yahaya. All right, so you're going to have to memorize these numbers and the techniques to go with them, and I'm going to mix them up a little bit, and if you make a mistake, then you're out. So a front punch is a number 1. Everybody show me number 1, loud yahaya. All right, so again, everybody show me number 1, loud yahaya. I want you guys to show me number 1 too. I want to see it. I want to hear it nice and loud. I want it to be so loud, neighbors are wondering what's going on. Here we go. Ready, show me number 1. All right, now a back punch is a number 2. So when I say number 2, you got to do a back punch with a full twist. Show me a back punch, show me 2. All right, show me a 1. Show me a 2. Now a front kick with a good fold and a refold is a number 3. Everybody show me number 3. You gotta kick it louder. Remember, if you don't yell, you're gonna be out. So make sure you guys are yelling, so practice those yells. Show me number 3. Alright, now a number 4 is a front hand back fist. Right, everybody show me number 4. Good. So again, show me number 4. Good. Now a number 5 is a back leg front kick, and it's gonna be defensive style. So we kick it out, bring it right back, and put it in the same spot that's in. So it's defensive, out and back. Here you go, show me a number 5, back leg front kick. And again, you have to fold and refold, otherwise you'll be out. So make sure we don't swing the leg, that you have to fold it and refold it. Having good technique. These games are fun, however, it's really important to have good technique. All right, everybody show me a back leg front kick number. Show me a 5. Ready to go. Getting better, fold and refold even more, Lexi. Here we go. Ready, show me 5. Here we go, good. All right, here we go. Now, are you guys ready to get started?
Yes,
Are you guys ready to get started?
Sensei.
All right, so I'm going to call out these numbers, and if you make a boo-boo, you're out. All right, so make sure you're honest and sit out. We're going to see if you guys can beat my Cyber Sensei family. Here we go. Ready? This is the memory game. Show me number 1. Yeah, yell loud. Show me number 2. Show me a 3. Here we go. Sorry, Jay, we got you, buddy. All right, it's okay. That's all right. Show me number 4. Front hand back. Show me number 5. Back leg front kick. All right, show me a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now you guys are going to have to go a little faster now. Ready? Show me a 5. 4, 4, 1, 1, 3. Have a seat. I got Alexia. Ready? Show me a 3. Show me a 3. Now you yell, Tristan. Show me a 3. 4. 4. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. Got Tristan over there. Good job, Tristan. Here we go. Ready? It's tough. It's gonna get harder. Show me a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, Leah. Good try, Leah. Cole's the winner. Everybody give it up for Cole. Good job. All right, guys, that's the memory game. One more time. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
Come on, that's a tough one to do. You guys got to really work that memory and focus to win this game. Here we go. One last time. Here we go. Show me class attention. Bow courtesy. Rather back in a guarding stance. Loud yahaya. All right, show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. Show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. I got Leah. Here we go. All right. Nice. Now show me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did I get you, Jay? Did I get you, Jay? All right. Good try. All right. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready. Show me a 1, 2. Show me a 2, 1. 2, 1. I got Alexia that time. Ready? Show me a 3.
You were halfway over.
Oh, we got Tristan. Cole's winning again. Everybody give it up for Cole. Nice
You
job,
won
Cole.
gold, buddy.
Cole, the big dog over there.
Man, we know what a student is.
Everybody give yourselves a big hand. Great job today. Well, we've come to an end of this lesson. Go about games. We hope that you had a blast. Here's what to do next. Number 1, if you enjoyed the lesson, go back and play it again because there's no limit on the amount of times you can play the game. Number 2, subscribe to our channel. That way it'll give you access to all of our other games and lessons. Number 3, click on the YouTube share button right below this video and share it to your Facebook page. That way other children all around the world can get to play the games too. Number 4, give us a like and continue on with your training. That way you can earn your orange belt and play orange belt games too. Remember that a black belt is a white belt who never quit. Are you guys ready to bow out?
Yes, Sensei!
All right, here we go. Show me class attention. Bow courtesy, one clap. Everybody say, Cyber Sensei!
Cyber Sensei!